welcome back to my channel. I know you remember when I reviewed this hair. This is the Zury 8, 9, 10 full pack, 1 pack, complete your whole head. It comes with the closure. I already sewed the closure down, and I'm just going to be making the wig, gluing the rest of the bundles in. Now these first two bundles, I think it's the 10-inch and the 9-inch. I'm going to double these tracks to put them in because they're really thin, and I ain't got time to be like putting in 1,000 thin tracks. So I'm gonna go ahead and double these bottom two tracks. What I did was I just added the 30-second bind glue to the tracks and then let it dry a little bit to a point where like it's not really dry, but it's not really super wet. It's like tacky, so that you can just put it on the cap, and then yeah, it sticks. Now the cap that I'm using, it's a mesh dome cap. It's the breathable one with the holes in it, and I got it in an extra large because y'all know I got locks, and yeah, the wig has to fit over my locks. So yeah. Alright, so as you can see, I'm doing them in a U shape. I'm really not using small pieces because that just takes too long, and this is a quick weave wig, so I mean the point is not to take all day. So what I did was, now I'm on the 8-inch. So I already put in the 10 and the 9-inch, and I'm working with the 8-inch. When I got to the 8-inch, I just used like the regular thin tracks just so that I can better manage where the track goes, and I can fill in where I need to, because I really thought I was going to run out of hair, but I end up not running out of hair. So as you can see, I'm just gonna fill in, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna take the wig off my head, and since I sewed the closure down, I'm just gonna cut the underneath part off, and I'm gonna use my concealer just to make my part look more partish, if you know what I mean. Look more scalpish. There we go. And I'm just gonna add that to my part, and the wig fits really well if you have locks or have a big head. The extra large cap works wonderful. So the last and final step is pulling this hair apart. Now it is curly hair, as you can see, girl. And we want some big curly hair. This color is bomb, by the way. I bet it will look really, really nice in black. This is the, I forgot the name of it, but I'll place it somewhere in this video, probably at the beginning. But, yeah, I'm just going to pull it apart because I want it really big. I don't want it, you know, just brand new looking out the pack. I want it to look old, because you know, with curly hair, the older it looks, the better, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it apart. Just run your fingers through it. And when I was running my fingers through it, I didn't get a lot of tangle. Now this is synthetic hair, and yeah, I would say it's some pretty good synthetic hair, really. These curls are popping, honey. I'm ready for the summer. And I've been procrastinating, y'all, for like 2 weeks about making this video, but y'all, laziness is real. So anyways, when I'm finally done pulling out all the hair, this is how it looks. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear my little maxi dress with my curly hair, sis. And yeah, this hair is pretty bomb. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia Girl. And I will definitely talk to y'all later. If you have any questions, drop them below. And yeah, see you later. Bye.